Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and this is just a flip through of this simple little wallet journal that I made. This is made from one manila folder with no leftovers. You know, you don't cut anything off. The kit that I used is called Secret Garden by the Journal Boat, and the lace I used is from Lisa Fisher at Lisa Fisher's Paper Lace and Bling. So all you do is open it here. There's a little crisscross. Just open it here. And then there's a Velcro closure. You open it up. And this is kind of a shabby chic pink, which is what I don't usually do, so everybody's surprised. And so there's two writing cards that are printed on the back here. Okay, and you turn it again, and there's a writing page and a decorative page, and I may add something else there. Then you flip this down, and there's more writing space. There's also an included journal. This is custom dyed pink paper that I made myself, and it also has a little bit of a sheen to it because I sprayed it with my custom gold alcohol ink. And you open this, there's more writing space. There's another pocket, and another writing card in a pocket. I forgot to mention there's some little tags here and another pocket. You fold both of these up, and you turn it again, and there's a Velcro dot that opens down, and there's a pocket that apparently I forgot to put a card in. There's a pocket here, or a tuck here, and a pocket up here, and a decorative page here, and then the back is here. I also forgot to mention that when you open the front cover, you guys might have seen it and wondered where did she go. There's a pocket here as well. So there's quite a few pockets for you to use. There's a complete size notebook, and it's all the size of an oversized wallet. And you could toss it in your purse. You could take the tags out and put in your grocery list or whatever you want, and you'll be ready to go. All right, so that's it for this, and I'll see you in the next flip through of the next. This is a tutorial, and so I'll see you in the next tutorial series, and then the next flip through of that, and that'll be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye bye.